We like always cannot find a place. Spartacus? Spartacus.
They're expecting quite big birds here.
So basically, toilet paper, extra toilet paper, everything what you need. Real library, just middle of forest, like literally. It's spring. I cannot believe that it's already spring. It's really so warm, and birds are singing, and like it feels like spring, even it's just like +2 at night. It's still minus, but it is spring. It is spring. Mika looks so sexy. I think this lava should go somewhere there, on this path. No. We like always cannot find a place. Yeah, but good news that it's not like in November when it was getting dark so quickly, so we have a whole day to find this place. But really, I cannot believe that it's spring. Mika say always that don't hope so much that it's already final spring. Actually, yeah, because it's just beginning of March. That Takatalvi, it's like back winter gonna come. But I will hope. You know, because now it's really warm. Like snow is not like light, it's more formed, so it really feels like a spring. We found something interesting. It is moose mark, a horse, but I think it's moose. Okay. Eh. 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 So what is interesting about every place, like this kind of place in Finland, that most of them, they have woods, like I think 90% of them, they have a woods. And also, I think maybe 70% or 80% they have a toilet. This is a toilet. Quite very actually comfortable for middle of nowhere toilet. So basically, toilet paper, extra toilet paper, everything what you need. I think it's kind of cool and comfortable. Yeah, but toilets not like in every place, like I said. Today we are cooking shrimps, but not like I cooked last time. We bought already ready, like set. There is some sauce plus shrimps, and also, what is this name of this sticks? Spartacus. Spartacus. Uh, so I will put here what the fuck is that. Yeah, so we google it. Asparagus. Sounds weird. Yeah, what is in on Finnish? Parso on Finnish, and on Russian it is wait a second. Sparja. It is sparja. Yeah, on Russian. On Belarusian, I don't know.
I'm expecting for quite big birds here.
There's cook. You can just unbronze and eat. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. It's interesting. I didn't notice. Huh.
Actually, there's 3 of them.
Yeah. I think it's kind of dangerous setup. But 2 trees just fell together. Huh. No, I meant actually is it down there. So this place where we're walking, actually it's like natural trail, and before it became a natural trail it was a house, this old house where a woman was living until 2003, and until this time she didn't have electricity, like nothing. So all her life even electricity was already available and stuff like store and so on, but she was living quite natural life, so without stores, without electricity, without all benefits from civilization. Yeah, she was picking berries, making firewood from forest and so on. And after she died, she transfer this place, I don't know if it's the correct word, to government. So, and they made this natural trail by her name, Irja Hanonen. Interesting. Look what we found. Very interesting. It's like a real library, just middle of forest, like literally. There is books and everything. Oh, really, like so many books, different ones. And nobody's stealing them. It's
Only in Finland.
only in Finland, yeah. Very interesting, so cute. Let's see, I will show you from outside. It's also like so small building. Look! Kirjasto. Library. Oops! I totally forgot to film an outro because I was absolutely in spring mood. But thank you so much for wandering with me today. Before you go, how do you say this asparagus? I don't know, in your language, just let me know in comments. And see you next one.